What is going on, YouTube community? My name is Tochi. In this video, I'm going to teach you one of the most requested video, which is how to use Tradingview premium feature for free. All right, as you can see, I am using a feature that can only be gotten on an upgraded account, which is Tradingview premium. All right, which is the ability for you to have multiple charts on one screen. Just as you can see now, I have 4 different charts on my screen. This is GBP USD here, all right, on a daily time frame. This is GBP USD on 4-hour time frame, GBP USD on 1-hour time frame, and GBP USD on 15 minutes time frame. And I must tell you, this account is not upgraded. All right. If I also come into the same account where I did not use this trick, because this is trick that I am using here. If I also come to this account that I did not use this trick. So on this account that I did not use this trick, if I want to use that particular feature of ability for me to use to have multiple charts on one screen. If I click here, which is select layout, you tend to discover that I have different options here that I can select. The one that I use, which is having 4 charts on one screen. That is it here. If I click on it, you can send. It's telling me to do what? To upgrade my account. All right. So for you to upgrade that, then you click on upgrade, then you see how much you are going to pay for you to do what? For you to be able to have this feature, which is what? $59.95. all right, or if you want to go for the pro, then you are going to pay $29.95 monthly. That is amount you are going to be paying for you to do what? For you to have access to multiple charts on one screen. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that free of charge. All right, you are not going to pay all this thing here. I'm going to show you how you can do it free of charge. As you can see on my screen, I have it here. All right, so basically all you have to do is to watch this video till the end. Ensure you follow it step by step, because sometimes in your life as a trader, you just want to have that mentoring vibes, having different time frame of a particular chart on your screen. You have the daily, you have the 4-hour, you have the 1 hour, and you have the 15 minutes. With that, you won't be switching across different time frame. So that is what I am going to be showing you in this video free of charge. All right, all you have to do for me is to subscribe to my channel. The steps are basically simple. Turn on your post notification bell, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. Also, do well to join my Telegram community. So click on the link in the description and join my Telegram community. All right, in this community, I share a whole lot of chart analysis where I teach you how to trade forex, also to encourage you and to help you in analyzing your own charts. We've been sharing a whole lot of powerful charts and markup charts here, and we have been killing it in the Telegram community. So having that said, let's quickly dive into the video, and I will show you how you can get this feature free of charge without paying any amount of dollar. All right, so let's quickly dive into the video. First thing you need is definitely your Chrome browser. You need your Chrome browser. So if you do not have a Chrome browser, ensure you install Chrome. All right, it's basically very easy to install. There are basically 2 methods on how you can do this. All right, but I will be teaching you first trick on this video, and the second trick will be on a different video, because I do not want this video to be too lengthy. So what you have to do is to install Chrome. Once you are done installing Chrome, then you open your browser. We open a new browser, then you type on Google, Chrome extension. We are going to be using an extension on a Chrome to perform this trick. All right, once you type on Google Chrome extension, you open it. If you open it, you allow it to load. So it's going to bring you to this page. In case you've been wondering where maybe you've been hearing about extension, Chrome extension, this is the place you can actually install a Chrome extension. So once you are here now, what you have to do is to type in the extension we'll be using to perform this trick, which is Tab Resizer. Just click on and search on Tab Resizer. or rather resize. That is the first one here. You just click on it and allow it to load. Then this is it here, tap resizer. All right, I am already installed on it. I've already installed this feature. So, but maybe I'm just going to show you how you can install that. All right. So this is the first one we're going to be used. This is the first one we're going to be using. Click on it, tap on it, and if you tap on it, it's going to do what? Bring you on this feature. All right, once it's bring you on this feature, then here my own is saying remove from Chrome because I have already installed it. All right, but had it been I have not installed it, what you are going to see here is install. Let me go and show you how it's going to look like if this particular one here, if I click on it, is not installed on my system, then you are going to see what? Add to Chrome. Once you tap on add to Chrome, then it's going to bring out a download button, which you can see here checking. All right, but this is not the one we are using, so it's going to pop up add tap resizer. You just click on it. All right, but this is not the one we are using. I'm just doing it to show you how you can install it. Once you see here, it's going to pop up this download button, and once it's downloaded, it's going to open. But I do not want to download it, so I'm going to cancel because that is not what I want to install. Then I close. Then the one that I want to install is this first one. That is the first one we are going to be using. So once you are done installing, it's going to bring out this page like this. All right, once it's going to bring out this page like this. That is the first step. If you are watching this video up till this stage and it's been interesting to you, ensure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, and also join my Telegram community. So having that said, now next step you are going to do is to do what? Is to log into your chart or open your Tradingview account. All right, if you open your Tradingview account, which is it here now, so what you are now going to do is to tap on this icon here. All right, are you seeing this icon here on the right part of your screen? Tap on it. Then if you tap on it, you are going to see your extension. All the list of extensions you have will be shown here. You are going to see the list of extension. The extension you have here now, which you can see here, is what? Tap resizer split screen layout. So you just tap on it. If you tap on it, then you are going to see the beauty of this. So look at the beauty. The beauty is this. Now, this is the features you can select. You can use this, which is 2x2, 2x1, 1x2, and what? 1x1. But what we want to use what is 2x2. We are going to be using 2x2. So once you tap on what? Once you tap on 2x2, look at the beauty. Look at the beauty of that. It's automatically do what? Split your browser into 4. It splits your browser into 4. So what you are going to do is just to what? Copy and paste this link, or rather open up more Tradingview accounts on each of the browser, but just paste, right? Then we paste, and all of them will load. Now you are going to have what? Your different accounts. Once it's done loading, then you will have your chart of 4 different types on your one screen. All right, as you can see, here is GBP USD on a daily. Here is what? On 4 hour. Here is 1 hour, and here you 15 minutes. You can put it in 15 minutes. All right, you can also have different charts. All right, which means you can have Euro USD here, you can have GBP USD here, you can have CAD JPY, you can have AUD USD. Different charts on one screen. That is interesting and that is crazy. And this is a feature that if you want to use Tradingview feature, all right, you have to upgrade your account to a premium account that costs you more than $50, and you will be paying this monthly. And I just taught you how you can do this without paying any amount. All right, these steps is very simple and very easy. All you have to do is follow it step by step. If you have been watching this video up till this extent, ensure you subscribe and join my Telegram community. All right, so this feature is something that if you want to do, just like I've said earlier, if you come to your layout and click on layout here, then you select your format and click on it. It's going to tell you to do what? To upgrade your account. It's going to tell you to upgrade your account, which you can see. And if you click on upgrade now, if you click on upgrade now, it's going to bring you to the place you do what? To upgrade. As you can see, the premium they are charging you $59.95, almost $60 per month. This is per month, and if it's pro, they are charging you $29.95, which is $30 per month for you to have access in doing what? In having multiple screen like this on one screen, all right, multiple chart like this on one screen. And this is what I have shown you. In fact, this particular step that I've showed you in this video is even the hardest. There is another step, or rather another trick that you can use to do this, but I'll be doing it on another video. If you want me to make that video, or rather upload that video, tell me in the comment section. The second trick is even more simpler than this, all right. So one good feature with this extension is that you can also change it to any format you want. Like if you tap on it and come here, if you tap on it, then you can change to what 2x1, which is this. Let's just play around with it and see how good these features are. As you can see, this is crazy, this is good, this is just good. All right, you can paste in, or rather open another chart on this below one here, and you start enjoying that mentoring vibe, you start enjoying that big screen vibe. All right, so you can come here and open another Tradingview charts here, and you now have multiple there. Then other features you can do here, let's just play around with it. You have 1x2 like this, which is basically this. All right, this is also good. So this is also good. All right, you can also come out here, copy this chart and paste it here. As simple as that, as simple as that. All right, but the one I personally love using is the this 2x2, because it will give me access to have 4 different charts on one screen, or rather 4 different time frames on one screen, just as that, without me paying $60 or without me paying $30 to upgrade my account. All right, so this is the trick. There are some other tricks that you can also play around with Tradingview, which is even for you to backtest without upgrading. This is the one that if you want me to do, also tell me in the comment section. Do not forget, this is even the hardest trick that I teach and that I just taught you. Now there is another trick that is very, very simple and very, very easy for you to have this on your screen. And if you want me to do that, then like this video, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will be able to recommend it to other people, and also join my Telegram community. I will end this video here. My name is Tochi AK. See you in the next video. Peace and out.